Ready to bring some adorable joy to your animations? First, let's start with the foundation. The character's head. Begin by drawing a simple shape, like a circle or a slightly flattened oval. This is your base. Make sure it's large enough to accommodate your character's features. Next, let's focus on those adorable eyes. Big eyes are key. Experiment with different shapes, round, oval, or even a little heart shape it and place them a good distance apart on the head. Small noses and mouths are often best. Now for the body, keep it simple. A small circle, a bean shape, or even a trapezoidal shape are all fantastic choices. Attach simple arms and legs. Their cuteness personify. Expressions. The trick is to make the expressions big and bold. Simple shapes for mouths and eyebrows can convey a huge range of emotions. A curved mouth usually means happy. Make the eyes blink. For added charm, add some shading and highlights. Experiment with different colors. You can add some simple effects in Animate's properties panel to make it pop. Finally, let's add some basic animation. Use simple movements, like bouncing up and down, waving, or blinking. These small actions bring your character to life. And there you go, a cute character made in minutes. Thanks for watching.